Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a review slash demo on the new JH palette. This is Jaclyn Hill's newest palette with Morphe, and it looks like this. It is bright, it is beautiful, it is just gorgeous. And yeah, I really wanted this palette. And I'm excited to film with this, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So let's go ahead and keep on watching so you guys can see how I got this look, because y'all, it's cute. Okay, I'm cute. This hair, not so much. I need to put some curls and body into this, but we're not here for a hair tutorial, okay? I need to go ahead and do this when I'm done filming. But anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So today, guys, we are going to be doing a review on the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. So this is the box it comes in. So luckily for me, I have a Morphe store out here in Houston, so I didn't have to wait to order it online. I could just go into the store. Ooh, y'all, look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, like, okay, I'm excited for this, okay? I am freaking excited for this. Ooh, by the way, today's Valentine's Day that I'm filming this, and hopefully I can get this video up today. Like, it's 10 in the morning, and I should hopefully, I think I can get it up because I'm off today, so. So I already have my brows partially filled in. As you guys know, I fill in my brows off camera, and then I do the front. I fill in the rest of the front after I'm done with my makeup, just because I'd be messing up. And then for, ooh, mine is dirty. I'm not going to show you guys. Like, this eye primer is like, okay. I'm going to be using the Anastasia, her eye primer. I love this stuff. I'm going to zoom you guys in. Hey! Oh my gosh, you guys, how are y'all doing? Alright, I'm like recovering from this sickness that came upon me. I'm not going to lie, you guys, for a minute I thought I had coronavirus. I kid you not, because I literally got sick the day after I finished recording the AliExpress haul. I was like, oh my gosh, this is how I'm going out. Coronavirus is taking me out. But then I realized my friend was also sick, and I had just hung out with her the night before too, before I filmed that video. So I was like, I'm gonna go with that option and pray that it's her and not coronavirus, because if it is, that'll be really awkward. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. Okay, we look like a psycho now. I'm gonna go jump right into Homeboy. So this shade right here. Ooh, ooh! Hold on, tap off the excess, because I wasn't expecting that. Okay. So I'm gonna move into another blending brush that's a little bit smaller. This one's from Sephora. It's no longer being sold. I'm just gonna jump right into this shade right here. This color is so beautiful. It's called Crazy, and we're gonna put this in our crease but lower. So this one I had it kind of high up. I'm gonna just concentrate this here. I'm actually gonna use this pencil brush instead from Luxie. This is their small tapered blending brush, and I'm just gonna pat this on first because I want to actually get really good pigmentation out of this color, and then I'm gonna go back with that other brush that I wanted to use at first and slightly blend out. So taking this brush now, I'm gonna go, and I'm not trying to really like go crazy and blend it. I'm trying to blend in place. So I'm like blending on it. If that makes sense, because I don't want this color to spread too high up. And then I'm gonna go in with this first brush I was using, and this is the one that I'm gonna like blend like the edges out better with, because it doesn't have that color on there. Okay, let's talk about, while I'm doing this, let's talk about blending so far. I like it. Like, so far, so good. The mattes are good. Now, Jaclyn does say that her formula for her shadows when it comes to her Morphe collabs are different. And, I mean, I haven't used a Morphe eyeshadow in so long, so I don't even know, to be quite honest. But whatever, if it is different, it is, I mean, this is good. Like, I'm not struggling to actually blend this. The colors are very vibrant and opaque, and that's what I love, because Jaclyn is very fair, And so it's easy for people who are like, you know, a little more lighter complected when they're doing their collabs. Like they're obviously gonna make stuff that's gonna look good on them. And what's deep enough on them sometimes is not deep enough for like deeper skin tone. And I feel like this palette, like every skin tone can use. Like this is deep. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna go into the black shade in the palette called Temptress. And I'm taking this Morphe brush, which is the M431. It's a really small pencil brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp this on here like a wing liner. We're not doing a wing. So I'm gonna stamp this on here. And then I'm just gonna slightly curve it up. And let me just say, this black, like, oh my gosh. Okay, I know people don't like Jaclyn Hill, and that's your prerogative. Honestly, she really doesn't bother me that much. Like, she really doesn't, but I will give her, she actually did a really good job with this palette. And I think, like, she's, like, scared to have another big fail, like, Like, I think she really, like, crossed her T's and dotted all her I's when it came to this collab. Yeah, I think she really like made sure that she just wasn't rushing into something, because I think, honestly, I don't know, like Jaclyn, I don't really get the vibe that she's malicious. I think sometimes she's just a little naive. Like, she's excited and she ends up messing up, and is like, I don't know, like people just, they come for her. You know, and then she's not the best at, like, when it comes to like owning up. It's like she almost never really wants to own up. It's like, well, this is all the reason why it was someone's fault. It's just like, yeah, those can really be the faults, but that's not what people want to hear. Because to them, they don't see, to them it's like, I don't care about the manufacturer. It's you that I'm buying from. It's you that I trust. It's you that's the reason why I bought this. So I want you to own up to it. Not, oh, this is that. And it just sucks, because sometimes it's like, it's really, it might not have been her fault, but girl, that's not what the public wants. They want you, the person who they trusted to buy this product from, to own up to the mistake. And I mean, that's just part of growth. Like, I mean, there's just times in life where you're gonna have to just take the fall for something that's just like, it really wasn't you, like, or just apologize for something that's just like, it really wasn't me. But hey, I feel like she can honestly slightly redeem herself. Like, I mean, people just don't like her at this point. So people just don't. But I feel like this actually is going to be a very good launch. Like, I really do believe that this is going to do well. We're going to go ahead and cut the crease. And to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the ABH Eyeshadow Primer to do that. And I'm going to be using this brush from Morphe. It's the M167. I really wanted to recreate that purple and orange look she did. That's the look that sold me on this palette. Like when I was looking at the promo, I was like, okay, cute. And then I saw it, I was like, I need it. I need it. And we're gonna get you guys a little bit closer. Hey, we're even closer. And we're gonna start cutting this crease. Cutting the crease is not easy. Like, you actually have to know what the heck you're doing. Like, bruh. Okay, so I have that. And I'm gonna go back into the black and just make sure that it's stamped. I'm trying to go for that really angular, like, look, so make sure to go over that again. I cannot get over how black this black is. Like, can this come in a single, please? Thank you. But I don't usually have a problem with Morphe's matte eyeshadows. It's usually their shimmers that I'm just like, So let's see how this plays. I'm gonna take the shade Get Ready With Me, and I'm using this Morphebrushes, the M209, and I'm going into, this is the shade I'm going into, by the way. Get Ready With Me, this one right here. And we're just gonna start by placing this right here. Or you know what? No. We're gonna start by placing it right here. I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Empowered. This color right here. With the same brush, but I'm gonna flip that to the other side. And we're gonna put that in that gap that we kind of left blank. And then we're just gonna take our time and like marry all these colors together. Okay, so let me just say, I haven't even started blending this together, but these shimmers do perform pretty well. They're not hard to pick up. I hate when, that's the thing I don't like about Morphe eyeshadows, is that they're a little too hard pressed, and I feel like I'm really digging in there to pick up like product. I don't feel like I'm struggling to actually get the color that I want onto the brush. So right now I'm just like blending this. Ooh, and it's creating like this really cute purple look. And I'm gonna go back into that shade Crazy, which was that burgundy color. And I'm just gonna go above this and like kind of bring its presence back out because it's kind of got lost in all these colors I've put on. I'm gonna put some lashes on. What lashes should we put on? We're gonna do the 5D80. These from AliExpress. I will have them linked down below if you want to get them. Then maybe we get you. Not move too fast for my wig comes flying off. And so since I went ahead and did that black, I don't have to put liner all over there. I'm just gonna take my Anastasia Jet Eyeliner and I'm just going to thinly put some eyeliner right there. Alrighty. So still waiting for the lash to dry. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter. And I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit. Okay. I know she said she had a pressed glitter in there, but you know when she swatched it, it ain't look like no pressed glitter. It literally looked like a shimmer eyeshadow, to be honest. Ooh, y'all, look at how pretty these lashes look on. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, you guys, so this is the eye look semi-completed. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera just to save time, and then I'll be back to show you guys pretty much the look with complexion on, because it always looks different when you have foundation on, to do the bottom eyeshadow with you guys, and then yeah. Okay. We're back in this thing. Taking the ABH Jet Eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this in there. For my bottom shadow, I'm gonna go back into the JH palette, and I'm gonna go into that shade Crazy, this one. And taking this pencil brush, I'm just gonna smudge this all down here. Okay, I kind of like this. I like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some bottom mascara, and then we're gonna do our lip. All right, for lips, we are going to do a brown lip liner. Ooh. Should I do? Let's do Colourpop. All right, we're gonna do the Shayla X Colourpop BFF4 lip liner. And then for lipstick, I'm just a little old school. I'm gonna take this right here. This is no longer being sold, but these are super old school. This is a Too Faced Liquified Melted Lipsticks. This is in a shade Melted Nude. And then for lip gloss, I'm gonna go into, this is no longer being sold either, but any lip gloss you have really. This is by Lancome. This is their lip gloss in Mirrored Nude. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really love the way this makeup look came out. It's so bold, but yet at the same time so simple. It's cute. It's cute, girl. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also leave a comment down below if you're going to be getting this palette or not. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.